Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to use array. So as example, you can draw circles set for the radius into 5. And to use array, you can type array, press enter, will be show for the array dialog box. And there are two options, you can use the rectangle array or polar array. So for the first, I will use this option, rectangular. Set for rows, I will set into 4. And then columns set into 2. So this is for the preview, 4 and 2. The next for row offset, I will set row offset into 15. And also columns into 15. You can select entities, click these buttons and select the circle objects, press enter. Click preview. So this is for the preview. And then press enter to apply. Okay, to use the polar array, you can create circle again, like in here. And the second I will create at this point. Now use array command, you can type and choose polar array. So we need to set for the center point. For center point, I will click in this circle. And for the entities, select the circle, the small circle. Now for total number of items, I will set into 6 and angle 360 degree. So this is for the preview. You can click here, preview. So this is for the result. If you want to go back into modify, you can type M, press enter, back into modify, and then I will set into 5, click preview again. If you done, you can press enter to apply. So the last for the array path, so you need to create for the objects, and the second for the paths, I will use the plan command. Okay, we create plan in here for path, and you can type array path, press enter, select the entities, the circle objects, enter again, and then select paths, you can click this polyline object. Press enter to apply. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to use array.